Hello, Infantil 3. How are you? Good? Great, I am wonderful. Infantil 3, today we are going to do a very nice and extremely easy activity. Okay? Okay, so let's do it. Look in your book on page 47. Okay? 47. Okay, look at here. We have all grandparents from our story. Do you remember our story? So, we have here pins. In all pictures, we have pins, okay? See here? Anne's grandpa is from Canada. We have a blue pin. Also, here in Canada, we have a blue pin. All the European countries, Japan in red, with Susie's grandparents here in red. Grandpa Haji from South Africa. And we also have his pin that is green. We have his pin and a map. Now, it is your turn. Where are we from? Which country do we live? What did you say? Good. We live in Brazil. Do you know where is Brazil on our map? Great, it is right here. It's easy. So today you'll have to draw a pin on our country. And if you want, you can draw yourself and your family right here and connect to our country. Okay? Did you understand? Great. I want to see next class. Okay? Do not forget that if you think it's too difficult, you can ask mommy or daddy to help you, or you can wait and ask me next class. Okay? Bye-bye.